Easy come and easy go. I'm just used to what I know.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm 𝐂𝐈𝐑. I hope you're all doing amazing. This is actually my favorite day. One, it's a Friday, and two, I have this beautiful wig for you. So let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Wowafrican. You guys have been seeing me drop a few reviews back to back with Wowafrican because, babe, they have a special spot in my heart. Their wigs are absolutely top tier, fine babe status.
Make it right, make it.
This is their 13x6 HD lace honey bloom glueless Burmese curly. It has HD lace. It comes 100% ready to wear, pre-plucked, pre-cut lace. You just take it, put it on, and the curls are actually really beautifully defined. You don't need to wet her down, but when you do, babes, this is what she's gonna give.
Go insane, I know she needs someone to save her. Yeah, talk to me nice, I just wanna play it right, I just want it bedside. Baby, come over tonight, I'ma show you what it's like, I'ma make it right. Yeah, talk to me nice, I just wanna play it right, I just want it bedside. Baby, come over tonight, I'ma show you what it's like, I'ma make it right. Make it right, make it right, make it right. You know who to call when you need someone. Baby, I'ma call her when you know I'm on. Yeah, talk to me nice, I just wanna play it right.
This is what she's giving fresh out of the box. Now, this is their Burmese curly, as I mentioned in the intro. It's beautiful. She comes with a 3D cap. It has the largest parting space, and I can see that there is a lot of parting space going on here. It goes like all the way back here. Okay, this is her gluelessly. I'm gonna go in and just remove some of this. Right, go ahead and... So I'm gonna repeat that on the other side, roughly, just carve that out. It might not be necessary for you, but this is gonna make my wig just fit a little bit better. Now I'm gonna secure this, okay?
Make it right, make it right, make it right. Yeah.
We want it to dry clear enough. Okay. Position that.
You get into it cause the money and the things, the money and the fame, the things I love, they all cause pain. I think too much and go insane. I know she needs someone to save.
I do want to detail the hairline a tiny bit, so I'm gonna go in Lace Lineage Lace Melt Spray. I like to spray it on the surface and put it on my fingertip, and then just apply some to the hairline. That's gonna work as like a bond for the two products, the glue and whatever else you have underneath it.
Show you what it's like, I'm make it right.
This is a nice wig. I need a moment for myself. Like, I'm actually losing my mind. Like, first of all, it looks like it's growing from my scalp because that lace is chef's kiss and it's super comfortable. I actually feel like I could sleep with this wig on. I love that for us. Now, before I do anything, I just want to have a moment where I can just continue to stare at myself, so I'll be right back. Wet it down the entire thing and restyle, like recurl the ends. It's so soft. Like, I don't think I've ever had a curly wig where my hands just like run through it so easily. Oh, this is nice. Don't forget about like the roots area. This is how I like to curl my Burmese ends. I like to wrap it around a makeup brush, right? And then pull it out. Okay. Wrap it around and pull it down. See? But this is what it's looking like. I need to repeat that on the other side and then I'll come back. In order for your Burmese curly wig to look super beautiful, fluffy, lush, soft, gorgeous, beautiful, don't touch it, just let it dry. And then we're gonna comb through it and see that final look. All right guys, we're back and it's mostly dry. I did pick through her just a little tiny bit. You can use your hands, you can use a comb, but it's just easier to do that. I'm also gonna just like flip my head. Oh, wow. Okay, so now you can see the Burmese ends are looking really cute, but I like to separate a few of them because we don't want it all like super tight. Okay, split it in half. See how nice the ends turned out, guys, from using the makeup brush hack? It's just the easiest technique and it's flawless. It takes no time and it works. Oh, it's so beautiful. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be rocking this wig a lot. Guys, this wig is so beautiful, okay? This color wave is absolutely gorgeous. That 13x6 parting space, it has this maximum parting space. When I tell you comfortable, I don't feel that I have on a wig at all. It's not tight, it's not big, it fits me perfectly, and I have a small head, but this fit is beautiful. Typically when I get a 13x6 lace, it's usually really roomy in here. This 3D dome fitting cap, yes, chef's kiss. I really liked that it has the little silicone strips on the inside. Literally, when you put it down on the back of your nape, it keeps that position up. So it keeps that positioned right there. It doesn't move. The wig just feels like it's part of you. Like, feels like it's your hair, and I love that so much. Like the quality, the construction is beautiful, and the density, guys, look how beautiful and fluffy and full she is. Wow, look at the hairline. I don't know what else to say besides the fact that this is one of the most beautiful curly wigs I've received to date, and I've been doing this for many years, guys, and I love when I can get truly excited about a wig. I've done this so many times, right? So when a wig is like this and I get that feeling that just tells me like, wow, this is a bit of me. Yeah, it's soft, full, fluffy. There's nothing that I would change about this wig. Absolutely nothing. When you think of a beautifully constructed wig that fits you perfectly, that you're gonna get a ton of compliments while wearing, that you can install easily, this is one of those good hair wigs, guys. Let me show you the back. Look how fluffy. I didn't even fully fluff out the back, but oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. Deep wave vibes. It's just beautiful, guys. The highlights are placed everywhere you want it to be. It's gorgeous. 10 out of 10. I'm gonna say here, this wig is most definitely 𝐃𝐈𝐿 approved. I'm gonna link this wig in the description box for you if you want to grab it. I highly recommend you doing so. This will be that one curly wig that you're gonna be rocking for years to come. That is all for today. I'm gonna get out of here. I'll leave that with you guys. Link will be in the description box. I'll catch you later in another video sometime soon. Bye.